Alright guys, so welcome to our home in India. So this is the house is under construction. As we enter into the house, you can see the nice elevation of the home. We have some work going on inside the house, so as we are approaching inside the house, you will have some noise inside the house. So just wanted to let you know that we might have some disturbance while we walking inside. You might have some background noise. Anyway, here we go. I would like to just show you the entrance. Here is our step is under constructions. These are the entrance. The entire house has been built as per the Vastu Shastra. So you can see the house entrance is at the east facing. This is the outside plot of our home. As you can see, all the construction material is laying around everywhere, so it's not clean, but this is the entire place is going to be converted into the nice garden. All right, let me take you inside the house through the gazebo entry. So this is like a nice gazebo outside where we're planning to hang probably a swing and some sit down arrangement over here. All right, entering inside, let me start our tour from the main door entrance. Alright, so this is our main door entry. I'm just entering here. At your left, you can see the big courtroom. Here you go. This is our passage area. And straight to the entrance, we have 23 feet high ceiling living area. So this is our grand area, you can call. We'll have a nice interior coming over here. From the living room, you're coming inside. As you can see, this is the completely open on the top to bottom. This is another 23 plus feet height, and this is our courtyard area. I think we are planning some gardening and things in the area. We'll see how it will comes up at the end. And from walking further, you can see this space it is our kitchen area. So this is the kitchen area. At the ground floor, we also have a master bedroom. This is our parents' bedroom with the courtyard. The master bedroom also have a courtyard, and this is the master bathroom, we can call. This is the dressing area and bathroom at this floor. Alright, let me just show you a little bit outside how the kind of courtyard look from the bedroom. So this is going to be, we're going to close up there with the nice sunlight through the glass. Walking back over here, at my right, this is the space for the puja room. This is going to be our temple for the worship. And as you can see, these are the gallery. This is going to be like our outside gallery. There's pretty large space over here. Let me just show you around. Alright. Next to the kitchen, we also have, this is the pantry area. A bit dark inside, but it's a pretty big pantry area. And next to the pantry room, we have, this is we call our utility room. It's an additional outer kitchen over here. We have also added actually one full bathroom right outside the utility room. As you can see, all the plaster work has been just completed. All right, let's go quickly upstairs. I would like to show you upstairs. These are our staircase. Let me just show you. There you go. The staircase, before we go upstairs, let me just show you. This is gonna be another half bathroom next to the living area. So our guest can use a bathroom over here. Let's go upstairs. Alright, this is gonna be our big staircase window. So we'll have a full sunlight. We also have a Swaminarayan temple right in front of our home. As you can see, let me zoom a little bit. There you go. It will be a nice visibility from here. Okay. Here we are at the first floor level now. This is the passage area. Let me just show you from the beginning. So as you can see, the staircase is coming up on the stair level. Then we have this passage area. We'll be having a glass railing all around over here, as you can see, open right now. At my left, we have a bedroom for our daughter. This is gonna be master bedroom as well. As you can see, big dressing room and a bathroom space over here. Alright, let me walk around. We're gonna go through the passage area. We'll be having a railing right at this space. Right at this space, we'll be having the glass railing looking down at the living room. Alright, this is gonna be our second bedroom. This is gonna be our bedroom. It's associated right here at the front area. You can see this is gonna be our gallery. We also having another glass railing coming actually right at this area, right here. There's a nice looking glass railing coming over here. Alright. Same way, the second bedroom also has a dressing room and a bathroom. So every bedroom is a master bedroom. Alright, let me just show you very quickly the third bedroom upstairs over here. We have total 4 bedrooms, 1 downstairs and 3 upstairs. Here you go. Every bedroom has a nice gallery. So as you can see, this door area will be having a glass door, sliding door, and then outgoing gallery over here. So this is it. It's about 7,000 square feet house right here in India, Gujarat, at our village. Name is Bhawanipura. That's what we're building. This is we're building for our family, our parents. It's my dream that I would like to build something for my parents, and this is what I'm building. And we'll probably come up with another video like this and see how it comes, because I just came in India right now, and next time probably when I visit over here, I'm sure it will be a nice finished space we can able to see, as all the interiors are under kind of planning right now. It will take some time, but yeah, the finished product will be gorgeous for sure. All right,